let me give you with some useful facts that will help you understand how MBA Global Supply Chain Management from Aberystwyth University will help you widen your career prospects. MBA Global Supply Chain Management is specially curated for a professional level manager and leaders who tend to have previous business experience or aspire to become one in this field in the future. Those who wish to study a subject of truly global importance are highly encouraged to pursue this course at Aberystwyth University. In addition, students who wish to acquire a critical appreciation of financial theory, practice and environment alongside learning about high-performance management skills for upgrading their businesses are also welcome to pursue this program. It's also applicable for candidates who wish to learn how to build highly impactful projects for their businesses. Looking for more details on this course, or if you're looking for an expert advice directly from the Aberystwyth University, log on to speaktouniversity.com and book an appointment with the university delegate. Follow the link in the description.